So let everybody know how old you are and what school you go to.
I'm 18 years old and I go to San Diego Mesa College.
All right. What does the scholarship or what does being Miss PIFA mean to you?
To me, Miss PIFA is a lot of responsibility. It's a great way for me to express my love for this culture and for me to actually experience other cultures as well.
All right. Last thing. What do you want to tell everybody here at the IslandVibe Music Festival?
Please come down to the PIFA booth and come and support us because we also have a lot of scholarships that support kids like me.
All right. They have a lot of scholarships. The PIFA folks are doing a great job. Give them a round of applause. Congratulations. Wait, she is truly Miss PIFA, ladies and gentlemen. She is Samoan, Tokelauan, and Chamorro. That's like the most mixed up Keligwin I've ever heard right there. That's a Sapasui from, I don't know. Okay, go on, get off the stage, girl. Congratulations. One more time. Give it up for Miss Case.